With workforce management, your agents can request time off directly within their Zendesk workspace. These requests are sent directly to the agent's managers or admin users, who can approve or deny them without leaving the WFM platform. Let's take a look. First, let's look at how you can configure your time off within workforce management. Click the settings icon and select Organization Structure, then select Time Off Reasons. Click the plus icon to add your different time off reasons that your agents can select from. Enter a name for the time off reason, and from the Type menu, select whether this is planned or unplanned leave, then click Add Reason. Go ahead and add all of the possible reasons your agent will be able to request time off for. Hover over the Action column to either edit or delete your time off reasons. Now you've set up your time off reasons. Let's take a look at how your agents can request time off. Agents will make time off requests by going to their schedule and clicking on Time Off Requests. They will need to select the reason from the drop-down menu and then state if it's a full or partial day off. They then need to specify the dates of the time off. They can additionally leave a message for their manager to provide more context of their request. Click to request the time off. An email notification is sent to the managers every time a time off request is submitted by an agent. If the agent is assigned to multiple teams, managers from each of those teams will be notified of the request. Approved and pending requests will be visible in the left column, and by clicking the three dots, agents are also able to cancel their time off requests. Let's now head back and look at how managers can view, approve, and deny time off requests. Hover over the schedule icon and select Time Off Management. Here, you will see all of the time off requests submitted by your agents. Under the Actions column, managers can approve, deny, or respond with a comment to get more details. After you approve or deny a request, it will be found in the Close tab. Agents will receive an email notifying them if their time off has been approved, denied, or if a comment has been left. By clicking on the gear icon, you are able to set up rules to automatically approve time off if the following conditions are met. You can create rules for specific teams, and set the automatic approval based on either a daily, weekly, or monthly condition. You are able to create more than one rule if needed. You can further keep track of your time off requests directly in the Reporting section of Workforce Management. Head to Reports and click into the Time Off System Report template. The Time Off report is segmented by agent. It displays the duration of time off requests, the number of occurrences, and whether the time off was planned or unplanned. While the System Report template cannot be edited directly, if you want to build your own time off report that perhaps groups the report by location instead of by agent, you can do so by duplicating the template and clicking on the Edit icon. Under Attributes, you can change the grouping to whatever you prefer. In my example, I want to group by location. Now, my time off report is displayed by location, and the report can now be found under the Custom Report templates. And don't forget, you can always export your reports as needed.